Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best bidet attachments that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Brondell GoSpa Travel Bidet GS70. If you're someone who takes their hygiene seriously and spends a lot of time out of the home, then the Brondell GoSpa Travel Bidet GS70 may be precisely what you need. This portable bidet is excellent for travel as it only weighs 3.2 ounces and is small enough to fit in your purse or work bag. Pull the Brondell GoSpa Travel Bidet out of its discreet carry bag to keep yourself feeling fresh after you relieve yourself on the go. Simply fill the 400 ml bottle with water and use the built-in angled nozzle for better aim. When you're not using this travel bidet, the nozzle retracts into the bottle. This makes storing it easy and hygienic. This bidet bottle comes equipped with a metal airlock, which allows air to enter the contraption. This helps you control the water pressure, enabling you to have a more even spray. Some customers mention that the Brondell GoSpa Travel Bidet can be a little messy as the projection of water is not as controlled as other bidet attachments. At number 4. Luxp Danio 320 Bidet Attachment. If you're in search of a bidet that caters to both men and women equally, then the Luxp Danio 320 Bidet Attachment is a great choice. This bidet can spray water both forwards and backward, making it great for women and men. It also comes equipped with hot and cold nozzles. Great for keeping your lady parts sanitized during your menstrual cycle, the Luxp Danio 320 Bidet Attachment comes prepared with dual nozzles, one for the front and one for the rear. The front nozzle's water pressure is much more gentle than the rear, and the water pressure and temperature can be adjusted for both nozzles. This bidet attachment is comprised of only top quality parts. It features a braided steel hose to filter the cold water and a polyurethane hose for the hot water. The polyurethane material will not melt from the heat and can stretch to accommodate the pressure of the water when the bidet is activated. The Luxp Danio 320 is easy to install, however, some clients mention that it can leak if not installed correctly. At number 3. GenieBidet, Rear, and Feminine Ultra-Thin Toilet Attachment. One of the top selling points of the GenieBidet is that it's streamlined and won't raise the height of your toilet seat, something that can create an uncomfortable position for many. It has separate nozzles for front and rear cleansing, both work via an adjustable spray knob that goes from soft to strong. It comes with a solid brass T-connector, ceramic valve and a new steel braided hose for your toilet, just in case your current one has seen better days. It also comes with a bonus travel bidet so you can spritz on the go. Note that the GenieBidet doesn't work with one-piece French curve toilets. No more fear of cross-threading the metal nut to your fill valve causing damage or leaking. In addition, the on/off option gives you peace of mind knowing you can easily shut off the water supply with the turn of a lever, preventing visitors, curious children and adults from soaking themselves, or your bathroom walls, floor and ceilings by playing with the bidet knob. Yes, this really does happen. At number 2. Tibbers Bidet Toilet Attachment. The water pressure can be adjusted according to your own needs, to achieve thorough cleaning, create a comfortable experience, and enjoy a perfect healthy life. Through bidet cleaning, it can effectively reduce the use of toilet paper, not only environmental protection, but also save the money you buy toilet paper. You can turn on the self-cleaning mode after using the product or before preparing to use the product, clean the nozzle, and bring you a healthier cleaning. The package contains all the installed accessories. No other installation tools or plumbers are needed. You can install it manually with your family. Water pressure is formed by connecting the water pipe and rotating the knob to achieve the effect of water outflow. At number 1. SmartBidet SB100R Electric Bidet Seat. Our new and improved model, SB100R SmartBidet Electric Bidet for elongated toilets with remote control offers newly designed and upgraded functionality to ensure hygiene, comfort and convenience for all users. Some of its new features are its slim design, stainless steel nozzle with a replaceable nozzle cap, child wash button, and an increase in extensive features include posterior wash, feminine wash, turbo wash, oscillating wash, adjustable water pressure, hygienic filtered water, heated water and seat, Quick release seat for easy cleaning, self-cleaning nozzle and more. Seat hole dimensions, 7.9 by 11.5 inches. Seat thickness, 1.3 inches. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.